Welcome back to another video. Today we have a huge blowout sale, 3 days only, Friday, March 6th through Sunday, March 8th. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, we got a 20% off coupon, pretty much your standard 20% off. Says valid through Sunday, March 8th. Coupon code 58113478. And then you got some batteries here. They're not free. They're $139. Me personally, I had bad experience with these batteries. I had them leak twice. Two different batteries at two different times. You might have a better luck than me, but me, I like to stay away from these. Me personally. We got a rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty floor jack, $89.99. These are great. Any floor jack from Harbor Freight is a great jack. You got a 12,000-pound truck SUV winch with remote control, $289.99. If you need a winch, this will definitely get you out. It'll help you when you need it. However, it's not the quickest, and it's gonna get hot when you use it. You just gotta, give it some time, but it'll work. I mean, they work fine. It does have 5 stars. That's what people on the review said, that it gets a little warm, but it's no problem. They have no problems with these. You got 6.5 horsepower horizontal shaft gas engine, $99.99. Got 72 by 80 moving blanket, $5.99. You got the 10 by 17 portable garage, $159.99. You got the 18 by 12 hardwood dolly, $7.99. You got the 1/2 inch extreme torque impact wrench, $229. Definitely recommend these impact wrenches for you guys. If you're a professional, if you're a DIY, this thing will get it loose. It does have it's a high torque gun. You got a 2-ton capacity foldable shop crate, $189. These are definitely nice. I do have one of the older ones, the ones that don't fold. It's a great little, or actually a great big crane. You got a powder-free nitro gloves, pack of 100, $5.99. These are great if you're doing light duty, like oil changes, light duty, or cleaning around the house, cleaning the car, or whatever. These are great. And you got the 7 by 9 feet all-purpose weather resistant tarp, $299. Got the 46 mobile storage cabinet, $239. Got the 6,500 watt super or gas powered generator, $449.99. You got a 20-ton shop press, $149.99. You got a full motion wall mount, $39.99. You got the 4-in-1 portable power pack, $59.99. This used to be free. Now they're not free anymore. It's just prices go up, so that's the way it is. And the 200 lumen for $199. You got the foldable sawhorse, $8.99. You got the 13-piece 1/2 inch drive, deep impact sockets, $19.99. These are great, guys. I do have a video, an old video from my channel back on when I started YouTube, about 2 years ago. These are great, guys. I've been using this, having no problems with these. I even put impact guns on it and it worked fine. Got the 3/8 by 50 feet retractable air hose reel, $59.99. You got the 1500 capacity dolly, 2-piece set, $39.99. This is the older version. I know that Daytona has a newer version of that. 11-inch cable ties. These are great, guys. You need them all the time on this. $199. Another great item is this, the click type torque wrench for $11.99. I know we've seen this for $9.99, so you can either wait for a parking lot sale and see it and get it at that price, or if you need it, to torque down those lug nuts from your vehicle doing tire rotations or DIY, something simple like that, it works. But if you're going to be doing some delicate work, as in you're a machinist or you're engine building and stuff like that, you don't want this torque wrench. You want something better. Solar rope lights, $7.99. Not the best. I did buy one. That thing, half of the thing lit up, half of it didn't, and it was brand new. Drill driver with the keyless chuck, $16.99. These are great for somebody that does not have, there's not a DIY person. They just want to hang a picture frame or tying up a screw somewhere. this will definitely work for you. But if you're gonna be doing more than more like a DIY type of projects, and often, at least go Bauer or Hercules. Solid rubber wheel chock, $4.99. These work great. I do have it. Every time I do oil changes, I put these on my wheels. You got a 4 amp high frequency battery, charge and maintain, $27.99. 18-inch working platform step stool, $19.99. 3-gallon 100 psi or free air compressor, $39.99. You got the 9-piece half-inch drive wobble set, extension cord or extension set, $9.99. These are great, guys. However, don't expect to put an impact driver on this thing and holding up. It might hold up for a few times, or for the first few times, but after that's gonna bend. It's gonna start breaking from this tip. It's just not designed for that. It's a low torque device. 310 lumen adjustable headlamp, $9.99. You got those SA metric. Guys, stay away from these. I bought some a long time ago. I would say about 8-10 years ago, and these things just fell apart. And guess what? I bought some not too long ago, and the same thing happened. So they haven't fixed that. So these are trash, by the way. Well, I wouldn't say trash, but they come apart from here. So I don't like them. Got weatherproof protective case, $114.99. Got a 12-piece assortment length elastics. These are great, especially if you have them on the truck. You're carrying stuff, a big box or something, and you don't want it to fall. So these are great to have in the truck for emergencies. MIG flux welding cart, $29.99. These are great. This is a great item. I do have it. I did end up buying a second one. The reason why I replaced the first one is because it was really old. It was sitting outside in the sun, baking in the heat, because it gets 118, 120 here in Phoenix. But yeah, it gets like 118, 117, like pretty much every day. And this thing was holding up so well, and then it just gave up. Like 2 years later, it was about time it gave up. The plastic started to break, and it started to dry up and break to the sun. But I end up buying the same one, and it works fine. I haven't had any problems. 4,500 lumen LED dual head LED work light, $69.99. Got a 14 by 13 shop towels, pack of 50, $8.99. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one.